How to use SellerAmp to quickly analyze online arbitrage leads. Ever find a product and wonder, is this even profitable? Here's how to get the answer in seconds using SellerAmp. SellerAmp or SAS is a browser extension that breaks down everything you need to know. Profit, ROI, sales rank, competition, and Amazon restrictions. Just paste the ASIN or use the extension right on the retail site and SAS tells you whether it's worth buying or skipping. It even flags whether you're gated, if Amazon is on the listing, and if the buy box is rotating. Super handy when you're analyzing lots of leads. If you're not using SellerAmp yet, you're missing out. And inside the OA challenge, they teach you exactly how to use it effectively. Ready to analyze like a pro? Click the link in my description to join the OA challenge today.